Right, so I put the cotter pin back in here, fixed on this selector shaft, this shaft here, because I've just set the preload on here. I put the O-ring in, this cap, and I've loosened off this ring here, because what we've got to do is set this to 1.8 to 2.2 kilograms. That's 1.6, so we're in the money there. Then back off the worm adjuster until the figure recorded in 80 is increased by 0.9 to 0.13. I understand it now. So back off that until you get 9. Oh, look at that, 8.5. I think that's alright. Yeah. So I think what we'll do, yeah, no, that feels a lot better. That feels a lot better. So what we'll do now is hammer up this nut using our chisel with a flat on it. There we go. Oh, that's lovely now. Oh, that's really nice. I'm over the moon with that. So you tighten it up, 1.8 to 2.2 kilograms, back it off, and then tighten it up to 0.9 to 0.13. That's nice. That's really nice. 0.9 to 1.3. Just maybe double check. I always like doubling checking these things. Oh, the string's got caught. 0.9. That'll do. Good enough for the girls I go out with. Right, what's next? Put the selector shaft in. So the roller is between the worm. Well, that makes sense, doesn't it? There's the roller. Grease that up. Now it doesn't matter where. Now, let's get back to this again. So, what the hell does that mean? Well, this is a carry on, because that tape won't go through there now. There's a bushing. Right. So put that there. So that's in the middle. Damn it all, how the heck is that gonna... Oh, then I've got it in the wrong place, I think. This job already. Where's my flashlight going? It's going through there. Sitting on something. It's such a bloody awkward thing to work with as well. Oh, I see, it's ripping me tape. Do you know something? I think I might take that bottom seal out, the dust shield. Something's not right. Oh, yes, if it will. Yeah, it's tearing the tape. I wish there was a way you could just hold this bloody thing up. Now this tape's got... stuck. I'm going to take it out again. Yeah, the tape's got stuck. So I bet you these bits of spring keep dropping off now. Just make sure it's all nice and clean. So I bet you if we take that outer seal off, this will just fly in now. Like that. See? Well, I guess you just all missed that because the damn battery went flat again. I've sort of worked out that to get the shaft through, it was simpler to put the seal in afterwards. I put tape around it, but it was just a bit too tight. Now it seems to work. Well, it did. Yeah. There she is. See? Stupid job. Now, I'm going to not put the circlip in yet because I'm going to now fit the cap, because if I start hitting the circlip in, it's going to knock the shaft out. So I'll just temporarily put the cover on. Doesn't seem to want to go much deeper. Now I'll put a pop mark on here. Oh, there's an O-ring in here. I'll take that ring out. Small screwdriver. It's a round one. Oh, these are square. You know, I'm not sure if this kit's for this. I don't seem to be having much luck with batteries. Now, there's the O-ring for here, and this is the O-ring that's supplied. It's much smaller. There's another O-ring in there, but it's thinner. It's the thinner diameter. You know, I've got a feeling this kit isn't for this. Damn. It's nowhere near that. Well, I'll have to put this old one back in. I've got a feeling this isn't the kit for here, so can't do anything about it now. So we need to find out where I put my punch mark without knocking the shaft out again. There. There. I'm going to screw that down. And and don't tighten it down by the bolts. Now we can tighten the bolts down. What a battle this is turning out to be. So now we're going to fit this circlip. Hopefully it stays in. Ooh, damn it all. Just not that much room. It should be the same. Yes. Same as a Defender. Now if I can wind that down, there we go, compress that seal, that's what it would do. I've got a better chance of getting that snap ring in. I'm saying I've got a better chance, I probably haven't. This bloody thing keeps moving all the time. There's not a flat surface on it. The problem is the pins in here, when they go through the circlip, they hold it off the bottom, so you've got to be pretty damn close to the edge. Let it go in. Aha. That's good, yeah. Nearly finished.